Hello everyone, just going to make a quick video today explaining unfortunately why I'm having to sell the Jeep Cherokee. Unfortunately Archie couldn't be here because the sale of the car went through so quickly. He's got commitments at work. So in order to keep making content, I'm going to have to buy a new project car and actually afford to be able to do that car up. So now we've got the Cherokee to the state it is. I love it, it's my favourite car and it always will be my favourite car ever. But if you want to keep making videos, unfortunately it's gonna have to go, but I'm gonna buy this car back one day, mark my words, so you'll see it in the future. So I bought the Jeep Cherokee when I was 17. I'm 23 now, so I've had it for 6 long years. I will say, you know, like every car, it has had its fair share of problems, but for an older car it's done really well, it's held up really well. I actually passed my driving test in this Jeep exactly. I passed third time, of course, lucky 3. So I put the Jeep up on Auto Trader for £5,995, I believe, and it had a lot of interest. I had about 2,000 views in a month, quite a few calls, and it actually went really quickly, because honestly they're quite hard to come by now in England. I think there's only about 7 for sale on Auto Trader, so I think that's why they are quite sought after. And obviously the fact that they are the best cars ever made. If you want to see how the Jeep used to look when we first started restoring it, I will put a little pop-up here so you can get to the first episode of the restoration, and then you'll be able to sort of compare that to the clips that I show you in a bit of the finished product, per se. I think we've gained quite a lot of experience. We've gone from knowing nothing about cars to just a little bit. So hopefully bring on the new project and we'll be able to do that one slightly better than we've done this one. So enjoy these clips of the Jeep in its finished form and enjoy the photos of us along the way. Cheers.